Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and if you are looking for the next best storage solution, then you've come to the right video because this storage file box by Snap and Store is awesome. I love how easy it was to put together. You really just snap the sides in place and it's done. I like that I can carry this from room to room, so I can have it at my desk, I can carry it to the basement when I'm done with it, I can carry it up to the attic if I'm really done with it, or I can toss everything out, burn it, and then fold the file box down and store that away when I am completely done with all the paperwork inside. This is so convenient and easy to use. And I definitely prefer it over a large, heavy filing cabinet that just sits in one place and is so hard to move. Whether it's old gas bills, mortgage bills, receipts for home improvement projects, I never know where to store them, but now I do because I have a filing cabinet by Snap and Store. I'm not sure what took me quite so long to get one, but I'm definitely happy that I finally did. And that's my point of view.